My name's Will Hammond. I'm with Axle Logistics. We're 3PL here in Knoxville. Essentially, there's 400 boots on the ground that are using Ambition daily. It's a very metric-driven atmosphere. We keep it fun and positive, and we know the ripple effect produces positive outcomes. With Ambition, it provides real-time visibility to the gamification, of these sales folks' daily activities. Reps can see their rank, brings the mundane, repetitive efforts to life. That's where Ambition comes in and has been very helpful. It's an effort game. If you're not putting in the effort, you're not going to get results. If you're putting in effort and not seeing positive results, then we can, analyze the metric-driven effort. And from there, we can dissect it. And then we work backwards and we find the why and recalibrate from there. Then you visualize performance and then record and track success. And that's really what Ambition helps us do, is bring it to life. We've always had visibility to the metrics, but a lot of it was, kind of antiquated on spreadsheets. You got time spent working on that stuff, keeping it all together, keeping it concise where it looks good. And then you have multiple different platforms that you're tracking. Outbound calls, talk time to customers is a metric that we like. Then you've got McLeod, the TMS that we use, where you're talking about how many shipments for a customer. Is that customer's revenue growing or is it going backwards? Why? Then you got our CRM that we keep up with the sales efforts, right? So that was one of the problems, was that it was a little bit discombobulated. It was all over the place. And so they've helped streamline it, add point systems to it, but put it all in one place. You have live access to where they're at in the day, and like green or red tracker. Are you pacing to finish where you want, or are you pacing below where you need to be? My favorite components, I would say, are the competitions. As I've mentioned multiple times, it's like this is a game that folks want to win. So you got to have that competitive, guttural influence. Their analytics feature really handles the nuts and bolts of the reporting, recording, and tracking with simple set and forget logic. And the president, my boss, he was like, well, you got to give me an ROI on Ambition. Simply, I found anywhere from a $1.7 to $1.8 million growth to the bottom line. We have a good handle on everything as far as who's up, who's down, and why. It just puts it right there in front of you. I got to give a shout out to Ambition's team in general. Like, implementation from the beginning was seamless due to their proactive approach. They've been nothing but professional, helpful, and incredibly easy to work with.